The family of a man killed by a speeding LAPD patrol car in South LA has begun to take legal action against the city.
There are still some unanswered questions about how this all happened. Investigative reporter Leonard joins us now with an update on a story the I-Team reported for the first time in December. Eric.
Hi, Carolyn and Michael. Well, the family has now filed a government claim, which is a first step required before it can file a lawsuit. The family says they don't understand why this officer was driving so fast and say they hope there's also accountability in criminal court.
25-year-old Luis Armenta Espinosa, seen here in family photos, was a day away from turning 26 when this security video shows he was struck by a patrol car while crossing Century Boulevard near Paloma Street in South LA on December 8th. Espinosa's uncle, also named Luis, said in Spanish the death has been very difficult for Espinosa's family that's still in Mexico. He says his nephew worked in a restaurant and was always happy. The legal claim filed this week blames the LAPD for the death, saying the officer's poor training and a lack of supervision led to the collision.
She did not know what she was doing, driving at those rates of speed, and she was not even authorized to be driving.
The attorneys for the family say they don't know what this officer was doing, but say they intend to find out using the legal process.
She had her lights and sirens on. She shouldn't have had her lights and sirens on. She wasn't responding to an emergency.
The family wants for George Gascon to file charges against this out-of-control, reckless police officer because of the fact that she took a human life.
In December, LAPD Chief Michael Moore told the I-Team the officer had been removed from field duty and that he was troubled by the circumstances of the man's death.
I, however, have looked at preliminary information regarding the circumstances of that collision and have serious concerns relative to the officer's conduct and the manner in which she operated that vehicle.
Earlier this month, the LAPD released several edited video clips from the crash, but not the dashboard video from the patrol car that shows the impact itself. Espinosa family attorney Michael Carrillo says he was disturbed by the officer's conduct after the crash. He says the video shows that she remained in the patrol car for about a minute before approaching Espinosa's body.
We could see it's going to get to over a minute. She doesn't get out. She doesn't do anything. We don't know what she's doing.
The LAPD declined to discuss these claims or any of the attorney's statements today. They say the case is still under investigation, and it wasn't entirely clear to us whether or not this officer has been returned to duty or is still at home on administrative leave. Also, the I-Team has confirmed that prosecutors are now reviewing the evidence to determine whether or not criminal charges will be brought. Live in the newsroom, I'm investigative reporter Leonard, NBC4 News. Back to you.